All right, number 13 is asking for the volume of a cone. So you can see right here that I have the formula written down. The formula for the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. So we have 1/3, we have pi, we need to know the radius. So if you look at the cone, we do know the radius. And then the final thing we need to know is the height. Remember that height goes straight up and down. This guy right here, which you may be tempted to use, this is actually the L, right? This is our slant height. So unfortunately, we are gonna have to do a little bit of work down here to find our H. And again, we're just gonna use the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm gonna call this guy H, and I'm gonna write H squared plus 3 squared equals 6 squared. So these are pretty small numbers. We can do them in our head. H squared plus 9 equals 36. Subtract, you get h squared equals 27. Make sure you take the square root. This one, I know it's kind of a nasty decimal. Pretty sure it's going to round to 5, but let me just double check. Yeah, so it's 5.19, 5.2. So I'm just going to, because I've been rounding to nearest whole numbers, I'm just going to round this to 5. And I'm going to plug it in. So 1/3 pi times 3 squared times 5. Now, if you want to, if you're having trouble, you can do pi times 3 squared times 5, and then you can just divide it by 3 if you want to. Or you can use the 1/3, the ABC button in your calculator. But I'm going to go ahead and enter this, make sure I got it. Pi times 3 squared times 5 divided by, 3. And I'm going to go ahead and round to the nearest whole number, so that would be 47. And then the units would be feet, and then since it's volume, cubed.